guys, so got a bit of a surprise for you guys. I may or may not have bought something. This is going to be the last piece to our exhaust setup for the truck that we're moving to. Pretty much these are, well, like I just said, the new mufflers. I got another surprise we'll talk about at the beginning of this video, and will surprise a lot of you guys probably. Maybe not if you watched the last video, but this is from Amazon and Magnaflow. So I talked about a couple of videos ago in the update video that I was moving towards my new muffler setup being the Magnaflow 6-inch competition or race series, as they call it, mufflers. If I could get my key to cooperate for a second here. I really need the knife. I mean, I wish like the Issues of 6 shop would source knives. I know Straight Speeds does as well. There hasn't really been too many giveaways that Street Speed's done recently that I've been wanting to enter. You guys know I'm not really a truck guy, so nope, I just did something wrong. Okay, so anyway, these are Magnaflow mufflers from, well, of course, Magnaflow, as I just said. So these are actually not quite as big as I thought. Hot caution, heavy object, team lift required. This was a 9-pound box with both of these in here. Why would these be team lift for this? I'm holding it. I can literally hold it one hand. Anyway, what we got in here is our muffler. If we could get this box. Oh, opens up. Fun fact. Or does it? Or maybe I've got the box upside down. Oh. Okay. So this isn't quite what was advertised. Oh crap. I'm going to put on screen the stock photo I saw of these things. This does not look the same at all. This is a lot smaller than I thought this was supposed to be. I'm also noticing some QC issues on this one. Something someone else had posted about. There's no weld on this side. So that's intriguing. Maybe there's not supposed to be one. Maybe it's welded from the inside. I can't tell. Like it's not wiggly, so at least there's that. I just have some sort of strange weld there. But anyway, this is the Magnaflow 6-inch race series muffler. So these are pretty much glorified straight pipes. Has some like muffler-ish material going on inside. Obviously, we have two of them. So what's cool is I got these on Amazon for two for the price of one, effectively. The list price for these is about $170 a piece. I got these for $89.99 a piece. I paid about $180 for two for my dual exhaust setup. A lot of you guys know I'm moving towards a dual setup on the truck. So yeah, this is awesome. I'm excited to put these on. I am kind of anxious now about this right here. I mean, I'm already going to have the headers welded back together anyway. So might as well go ahead and have this welded while that's getting done. All that's actually moved in here now, so as you guys can see all the way over there. Got all my car parts, my headlights, all that stuff in there is in here now. So yeah, we got one Magnaflow race series muffler. We also got some, ooh, okay, we got some goodies from Magnaflow in here. I didn't even notice these. So we got warranty information, a warning actually for catalytic code, stuff like that, in case you have catalytic converter issues. So in here we've also got our warranty card, as well as what looks like some decals from Magnaflow, which I'm going to crack open here. So a lot of you guys know I've had a Flowmaster sticker on the truck since I got my Flowmaster 40 installed a couple years back. So I'm finally able to replace that. So we got the warranty card. I'll just have to fill that out at some later point in case something goes wrong here. Like for example, this crappy weld it's got, or lack of weld. So put this off to the side. Well, I'm interested in the decals. So we got a couple. We got like this, I guess we can call it Magnaflow Man or something like that. It's a muffler with a shirt and some hands, and it's like just humanoid characteristics. We've also got these really nice, just yellow Magnaflow stickers. So this would be what I would put on the truck to replace the old Flowmaster sticker that's coming apart, and I'll keep this one on standby, so if the next one goes bad, I can put this other one on. So there we should have 4 of these stickers, because, I mean, the other box should be the exact same. And 2 of these Muffler Man stickers, kind of deal. So yeah, that's the new exhaust setup of the truck. We're moving to a Magnaflow race muffler. It's not quite as quiet, probably. I'm actually really expecting this to be really loud. It actually is a little bit bigger in person. The stock photos I saw were a lot bigger than this, but the actual photos that I've seen recently of these mufflers are, you know, make it look like half the size of this. So this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. So I guess we'll move on to the other one and see how the other one looks. Actually, I should put all this paperwork in here first. Crap. So we move to our second one here. Also team lift required on this one. And we have much of the same story, same quality control possible issue here. Like, it's not coming out, so it's probably welded from the inside or something like that. But yeah, we've got our Magnaflow muffler here, same exact muffler. Looks like it might need to be cleaned. Nice solid sound there. Same paperwork, same stickers, so nothing different there. But I was curious more about the this down here, this not being welded or something. Like I said, there's no play to it, no movement. So I don't know if that's going to cause an issue. This is my first time buying Magnaflow products. Michael loves Magnaflow. He had their catback on his Taurus a while back. You guys might remember that. So yeah, this is the other new mufflers. So yeah, we're moving officially now. We're moving from Flowmaster to Magnaflow. This is kind of interesting to me. I've never done stuff like this, you know, changed exhaust setup, anything. A lot of you guys might remember my Flowmaster 40 was a gift. I didn't even pay for that. And I'm really grateful for it still, but I was just ready to change it up a little bit, get a little bit of a louder setup on the truck. This might actually be too loud. This might actually be too loud for me. So we'll have to wait and see. Obviously, I'm going to live with it because I got these for a deal, and I obviously don't want to buy another set of mufflers. So I'll have to wait and see. So yeah, that's the new mufflers. Okay, so the keen-eyed of you guys might have noticed something sitting over here. Well, probably not because I walked in this way. So, if you guys watched last video, we put a turbo on Michael's Mazda Speed 3, and you're probably wondering why, so what's in here? So, in this box that is upside down is Michael's old KO4 turbo. It's mine now. So, pretty much when he was leaving the other day, when he got done with the car, he was like, do you want this? And I was like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but sure, why not? And here we are. So now, the truck might have a turbo. Probably not soon because this thing is tore up. It needs to be cleaned, which is why I didn't pull it out of the box or anything, because it's just soaked in oil, rebuilt and all that stuff. And we're going to use it for some project of some sort, whether it be my truck, the Kia, maybe even this. Probably not. My mom does not want a turbo in this car. Maybe even the Mustang. But what I was thinking about doing if we do stuff with the truck later in time, because I'm still moving forward with a full bolt-on setup on the truck, which you guys can't see because the garage was closed, is possibly rebuilding that one, which is like $90 or so, which actually is kind of expensive, especially since new KO4s are $125, and buying a second one at that $125 price mark, and getting custom intercooler piping, an intercooler, stuff like that, and doing a twin turbo KO4 setup on the truck. So it is something I'm going to look into. It probably won't happen anytime soon, but I am going to do a couple of videos with the turbo. Obviously cleaning it, making it look really good. I might get them powder coated as well when I get the second one, if I go that route with twin turbo in the truck. So we might be able to do that and powder coat them the accent color that I'll choose for the truck. That way we can either do, because I'm torn between 2 color schemes right now. I've got one color picked out that I might do, and then Hayden suggested another one, which I really like. So we'll just have to wait and see where time takes us on that one. But for now, that's the new exhaust setup, and that's my new turbo. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content coming soon on the channel. I'm going to try next week to have a video on cleaning the KO4 turbo and seeing what went wrong. We're going to try, we might do some leak tests or something like that if we can on it, to see where exactly everything went wrong with it. Michael, as an update to the last video, The car is running fantastically. The tune's a little goofed. It's making 21 pounds of boost now when that made at max 14. So he's going to have to do some tuning work on that to try to, you know, shut that back a little bit so it's not making as much boost. But that's it. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everyone.